Today?
Today?
Might as well. We're not doing nothing.
Yeah, that's just it.
They're gonna take down the video.
Huh?
They're gonna take down the video.
Well, your dumbass be doing unnecessary stuff.
I'm talking about because of the music.
Oh. Well, it's...
Yeah.
Well, you can cut it. It's not gonna be like the whole song. That's probably the other option.
That was boring though. What if it's like some good footage and I have to cut out the good footage?
You can always silence. Well, you know what? I feel like that's not even the point. It's when you're in the car.
Yeah. See?
Okay.
You're learning. Say hi.
No, you stress me out.
What the hell? You stress me out. Look, your car.
Oh my god. You stole my car.
What do you gotta say to that?
I don't know. They stole my car.
They got you fucked up?
Speaking of my car, that car is I gotta start taking care of that car, bro.
You think? Yeah, his windows is black as hell. Better be a celebrity in there.
Wait, cause like your front, like, wait, but like, why does your front like window or whatever this is, it looks tinted?
My front window?
Yeah, right here.
My...
Front two.
Oh, yeah! Oh, you lost. Don't tell me this is Junior, bro. I don't even want no smoke, bro.
You don't want to smoke?
Nah, I don't.
Oh boy.
Especially not in this weather.
No.
Listen. No, what? Yeah, the streets is terrible.
Yes, wait, that's not enough.
Why do I think that's Junior? The one I raced time last time? The one I raced last time in the V6? He's about to text me right now being like, damn, bro, you still slow.
What type of car does he have?
A Scat. But with my type of engine, I think, or some shit. His tires is big.
Yeah. They are pretty.
Let's see if he goes slow. Damn, he don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck then either.
What the hell? So what if he brake checks you?
I'm gonna shoot his ass.
What the hell? No.
Yeah, he don't want it. Yeah, get your ass on. He was tired of getting bullied. He's trying to brake check me.
Pull him.
Yeah, he wants a new car.
I don't know. Some people aren't like that.
Ah, no, I'm like that too. I see a Lamborghini behind me, I go like this.
No, mommy.
Boom.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean. He goes straight. Oh, I would beat his ass.
Are you ready to move out or what?
Yeah. I'm ready to start filming a lot of content.
Yeah.
I hate filming content on the block, especially in the ghetto, where I unfortunately have a hellcat. It is a lot louder.
What happened?
It is a lot louder.
On track or what?
Yeah. Go ahead. Come on. I don't know what you just said.
Like, you know how like you take off right here, like you could hear it from like over there.
How you know that?
Because remember when I was at your house for that one day, and then you took off. And then,
Oh, when I went to work?
yeah, and so you took off, and then I'm like, oh, that's him.
That's it.